Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make sure that you can fix your Snapchat videos which are not playing properly. There are a few reasons why this may be happening, so I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. The very first is obviously to check out if you have proper internet connection. So just swipe down to the control center. You can see that I have Wi-Fi and I am connected. This is the Wi-Fi, but also cellular data don't work for me for whatever reason, so this is something to know about. For example, I don't even have any SIM card ready or available. None of that is happening. So for me, the only way to get to the internet is through Wi-Fi. And perhaps if the Wi-Fi is too slow, you can always just check it out and check out the speed by looking up the speed test app on the App Store. So this is literally the first speed app that pops up, and you can go ahead and install it for free and check out your internet connection. This is going to make sure that you can know if your problem is in the internet speed or if it's in something else. Because there are also other things which could be going on. For example, a simple bug within the app. So if you open up the Snapchat and the app is seemingly working properly, but some features are just not available, the very first thing is, of course, to just grab it and just close it and reopen it, because you can see it just got restarted. Or if none of that works, you can simply just hold down on the Snapchat app and reinstall it. Not just remove it from the home screen, but delete it entirely and then bring it back from the App Store again. So this is something to know about. Besides that, you also have the speed test already installed in my case, so you can always just check out the internet connection and the speed at which it's operating. So this is something that you have to pay attention to. So right now, if you accept the conditions, you can just click on go, and it's going to go through your internet and just make sure to show you the proper speed. For me, it's just okay. It's not the best, obviously, but this should not prevent me from seeing videos on Snapchat. And also, if this is pertaining, if you find out that the speed is proper and everything just works, make sure to try out Snapchat on a different device. Like if you happen to have any other iPhone laying around or any other device or Android, you can ask your friends to try and log in to their device using your Snapchat account and see if anything changes. So just re-download the app on a different iPhone or Android, it does not even matter, and try to see if some problem is specifically with your account or your phone, or exactly find where the problem lies. So just re-download it, reinstall it on your own device, try to log in on someone else's and see what's really going on. But at the end of the day, when you just don't see any problem or any progress towards fixing your Snapchat, you can always just look it up on Google, the Snapchat support, and there you can contact them to find out if anything is actually wrong with your device. So you can, for example, click on my account is locked or submit a request. You can go ahead and do that and get in touch with Snapchat themselves to see if they can help you with fixing your problem. So this is how you can fix the Snapchat videos which are not playing properly. Besides that, you should also know about some different social media as well. And in the Foxtecc educational platform, you can check out the social media section in the classroom, which is free to join. And there you can watch some video editing courses and stuff which is going to be added in the future constantly. So definitely go ahead and check it out. It's going to be linked down below in the description. There are people learning already inside, so go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you inside of the group. For now, thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up. See you guys later on the Foxtecc YouTube channel.